Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of what could possibly be the best Molle Lunch Box available on the market right now. Introducing the RalChyez Tactical Lunch Bag, designed for those who demand durability, functionality, and style in their lunchtime companion. Let's start with the basics. The RalChyez Tactical Lunch Bag boasts a spacious 20-liter capacity, making it perfect for keeping your meals organized and separated. It features a dual compartment design, allowing you to store both hot and cold items simultaneously. This means no more compromising on your food temperature preferences. The construction is robust, with 600D water-resistant Oxford fabric and a premium aluminum foil lining that ensures complete leak-proof protection. Plus, it's built to withstand wear and tear, making it ideal for daily use in various environments. One of the standout features is its excellent insulation. With 4 layers of insulation materials, including 8mm thickened foam and non-toxic aluminum foil, this lunch bag keeps your food fresh and drinks cold for up to 8 hours. There's plenty of room inside to fit up to 32 cans or 3 large lunch boxes, ensuring you have enough space for a full day's worth of meals and snacks. Additional storage options include a Molle zipper side bag for easy access to essentials like napkins and a variety of small items. It's a thoughtful touch that enhances convenience and organization. The design isn't just about functionality, it's also about practicality. Adjustable shoulder straps cater to users of different heights and preferences, offering both cross-body and handheld carrying options. The bag features sturdy metal SBS zippers, known for their durability and smooth operation, ensuring your belongings stay secure wherever you go. Whether you're heading to the office, going on a picnic, or embarking on an outdoor adventure, the RalChyez Tactical Lunch Bag blends seamlessly into any environment with its classic tactical style. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a lunch bag that combines rugged durability with smart design and exceptional insulation, look no further than the RalChyez Tactical Lunch Bag. It's not just a lunch bag, it's a reliable companion for anyone who values quality, convenience, and style in their everyday essentials. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that matter. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time. Remember, the links to purchase this product and more details can be found in the description below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay savvy with Product Critique.